Hello, everybody. This is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and Sadie stickers inserts. And for this week, I am using this beautiful kit from Graceful Muse Paperie. It is part of her mystery sub kit that I get monthly, and it is called Winter Garden. I just love the silver foil on this one. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base, and I'll talk to you in a while.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
Alright, so this is the very beautiful November month that the mystery kit always has. I'd like to use it because it's like it has the date itself, like the year and the date itself. So once once it's done, you can't use the sticker anymore. Once 2025 is done, you won't be able to use it. So yeah, this is the focal point of this base, this beautiful sticker. I mean, yeah, everywhere that I look, like all the spreads that I see, this girl in the winter garden, like walking with that beautiful coat. And it's just my focal point of the spread. The rest are just add-ons, or part of the base spread to have a very very wintry feeling in the garden. So this is again a deco kit that I am using, so there are no full boxes to this. So I just am enjoying using all the deco and being able to use a deco kit from Graceful Muse Paperie. So yeah, she has this kit actually available on her website. So after the mystery subs are sent out, she makes them available. But I think that girl, the sticker with the person on it, that's not available. I didn't see it on her website. So hopefully she'll restock them, because I think a lot of people like this sticker. So yeah, that is it for my base, and I'll talk to you in the day today.
I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
All right, so for Monday, that really cute Happy Meal icon is from Crest by Tawi, but she's not selling those anymore, or her shop is closed. But I just really love those. I have them in silver. I only have them in silver left, so using them sparingly. The Happy Mail script is from Paper Trail Plants, and then I got some Happy Mail from Saucy Stickers Co. And then I went on a grocery run late night, I guess, yeah. And those really cute like snowflakes, I think those are from Monk and Marble. Yes, I think so. Uh-huh. Very cute snowflakes. And then on Tuesday, I was reading. So I really liked using this book because I'm like reading. So I just put on this script from Blissful Jayde Designs. I was reading 7 O'Clock Club. I don't think it's a very famous book, but I really liked it. It's like a group of people who comes together every 7 p.m. to go over like a grief therapy of sorts, and they explore why they're grieving, and then yeah, it's just a very really cool twist at the end of this thing. So very good book. I really liked it. I gave it a 4 stars. And then I had a nap, because why did I have a nap? I don't know. I guess yeah, it's just nap time. And then I was able to edit a haul that I was doing. Okay, or I just filmed. And then um on Wednesday I had a doctor's appointment once again because I had to come back from the last week. I had to give some notes to my doctor and she had to like figure out what's wrong. Well, some stuff, as you're getting older, you need to go through these things. Because I had my annual last week, like the previous week to this plan with me. So that's why I'm like, okay, I need to go back because I needed to give her some numbers. All right. And then after that, I went on a grocery run. I had to pick up some medicines I needed. And then what was I watching? Oh, okay. So I was watching The Last of Us, season 2. But actually, we didn't finish it. I think we only went through 2 episodes. I don't know. My husband didn't want to watch it anymore. It's fine with me. I mean, watching it during lunchtime, yeah, maybe not not really a good video to watch because of course, all the dead people, all those scenes with the people in there. So yeah, we stopped that. I'll pick it back up maybe by myself, not with my husband anymore sometime. All right, so on Thursday I got some Happy Mail, I believe. Yes, so that Happy Mail icon is from that is I think from the Pretty Pinko when she used to have some icons for $2 Tuesdays. I got some Happy Mail from the Giving Girl. And then of course I had another nap. Yes, my goodness. My spreads always have a nap queen in them. Because that's what I usually do. All right, so I had what was this? An appointment to okay, so this is for my husband actually. We went to pick up something he needed from like a faraway hospital. I don't know why. He had to do a sleep study. And the kit was so small and we had to go get it from like this faraway hospital where it's the only place that it's available. So anyways, that's what we did. And then on Friday, what did we do on Friday? Oh, I had another doctor's appointment. No. Friday was a birthday party. Sorry. Okay, I was looking at a different page. So whose birthday party was this on Friday? Okay, so my daughter went to a birthday party, so we drove her there. And then since that party place is kind of nearer to this other town, we visited this other town, and then we were able to go get some eat at CPK, California Pizza Kitchen. And then also we were able to go to Barnes and Noble. So just waiting for her party to end. So I think it was around 3 hours. So we had a lot of time to spare. So I was able to buy some books from Barnes and Noble. And since I'm a member, like you didn't live this membership, I got my free tote for that time. All right. So on Saturday, again, yay, I have Happy Meal again. Yes, very nice. I got it from Paper Trail Plants and Miss and Meow. All right. And then after that, oh, I was watching the season one of The Diplomat. So I actually started this like before. So I'm like, my husband said, just push through it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so glad I did because it's such a good series. It's about political things going on, like the president, vice president, and and she's like what is she? So she's a diplomat over in the UK. So lots of drama, lots of political things, lots of strategy. So it's so good. I mean, even the twist is like, or even the cliffhanger is like, oh my gosh, of season one. And then I had a planning sesh this time, and yeah, that was it for Saturday. And then on Sunday, I filmed. I was able to film a plan with me, and then after that, I got some DoorDash of pho because my daughter's friends are here and they love pho. So they had a play date, so I bought them some snack. It's not a snack, maybe it's dinner, maybe of pho. And then after that, I was able to get some Starbucks after coming from picking up some medicines again. Yes. Oh my goodness. That's my life now, medicines and doctors. But yeah, that is, I think, it for this spread. It's just such a beautiful kit. It's so wintry and such it's just gives you this very beautiful scenes and the persons in it. So yeah, this is the leftovers I'll be showing you. There's still a lot. I still have a lot to use, and I can do it for like my smaller journaling pages. So this is the Winter Garden in silver foil. This is by Graceful Muse Paperie. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.